Migrate Windows 2016 from AWS onto Nutanix AHV. To do that, I'm gonna use Nutanix Move. So Nutanix Moves is a migration tool which helps you to streamline migration from AWS or from Hyper-V or from VMware onto Nutanix AHV. So first of all, as you can see on my console, I have a micro instance for 2016. Another one is the Nutanix Move agent. So it's also the it is a Ubuntu micro instance. So it is the Move agent deployed by the Nutanix Move automatically during the migration. So let's switch to the Nutanix Move console. So I've added here already my US East AWS region. I have one VM, which you've seen before. Here is my Windows. So now let's create migration plan. So it's gonna be AWS AHV Win 2K16. So we know what it is. So let's proceed. Okay, so East, we choose the region. So we have only one. We have a target, so this way we have only one target right now. So let's see. Yeah, default container. Okay, we do next. Okay, as you can see, now you have the inventory. So click bang, all the VMs. So our 2016 has been added. We click next. All right. So the Nutanix Move checked already infrastructure that on AWS. So it knows that there is already a Move agent running. So now you have a couple of preparation modes. So you have automatic mode. So to use the automatic mode, you have to have those ports open on your Windows box, or 22 ports for SSH on the user. You have also manual. So the manual is you use whenever if you cannot open those ports, and then you just copy the commands. This one is for Windows, this one is for Linux, and run as an administrator in PowerShell for Linux, for Windows, or as a root, you run it from a command line, from a bash, the command for Linux. So let's move on. Okay, so let's switch back to the AWS console. So I have already prepared. Let's connect to the Windows. Yeah, I'm not gonna show you the password. So give me 1 second. I'll just move over, choose the key. Decrypt the password. Okay, so this is my password. Okay, let's go back up. Okay, connect. I already have the desktop file on my desktop box. Here it is. Connect. Okay, here you go. So this is my Windows box. As you can see, it runs on AWS US East 2B, 1 gig memory. So you see it struggles a little bit with the performance for 2016, 1 CPU and 1 gigabit of memory, gigabyte. It's not that much, but now we have to run the command from the Move console. So let's go back up to Move. Okay, this is our console. So let's copy this one over and switch here. We're running PowerShell administrator. Okay, so this is the PowerShell script. So what it does, it prepares the VM for the migration. What it does, you will see later on, like it does, is it checking the VM if it's supported. You see, it is supported for migration. Now it's downloading virtual drivers and CBT logger artifacts. So basically what it does, it prepares the virtual machine, installing drivers and CBT drivers for the migration. So I'm gonna pause here for a second or two, and I will go back up when this one is finished. Everything went well. Machine is ready for a migration. So let's switch back to the Nutanix move, and we move on. Okay, so next time. So now move is validating the machine. It might take a few seconds, but usually it doesn't take that long. You can see it went well. Now you pick up the target network. So this is my VPCs. This is where you're going to. You can schedule your data setting, or you can kick it off right away after you finish the migration workflow. So let's skip next. Now the summary quick, right? So this is where we are. This is what has been configured. How many VMs? You can put much more VMs if you have, and then yeah, save and start. So now it's creating the migration plan, and it will take a while to seed the data. So I'm gonna again pause it here and come back to you when the data seeding will be done. Thank you. Things done. It took about an hour and a few minutes to finish up transfer the 17 gigs, a little bit more than 17 gigs of data from AWS onto Nutanix cluster. So yeah, we're ready to cut over. All right. So let's check it out one more time. The information, the VLAN 568, okay. Then from here, we are in progress and cut over. So this is the steps will be performed. So source VM will go down, Linux on source will be disconnected, and each source VM will have a note added with the details of the migration. And we hit continue. And again, now let's go back up to the AWS console. EC2 dashboards, running instances. Okay, we keep it running. So Nutanix move and Windows 2016. Let's go back up to, and now it's gonna be doing the final thing. So it will take a while, probably a couple of minutes. So I'm gonna pause it again and get back to you when it's done. Instance is being stopped by the Nutanix move, and from a Nutanix move console you can see the information that the final sync is being created. So a few more minutes and we should be done. So we can have a look in Prism how our virtual machine looks like. So look like let's log in quickly. Alright, and here it is, our VM. Let's connect. So we are connected. Okay, there is no DHCP in that network, that's why there is no IP. So that's the launch console, and we give a shot and try to log in with the password. I would have to type it in, this crazy password. Okay, let me type it in. Okay, so yeah, here you go. This is our machine up and running on Nutanix AHV. You can see the information in here. The resolution is not that great because we're connecting over the console, that's why. But yeah, this is the machine. You can see the instance size, host name, and so on. Thank you so much, and yeah, I hope you did enjoy watching this video. If you have more questions, please visit my web blog or post a comment under the video. Thank you.